valve. The equipment required to carry out this task is an adjustable spanner, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure, a jug, a sponge and an absorbent sheet. Firstly, remove the system lid. Isolate water supply to the system either from the isolation point or the stopcock. Flush the tank to drain most of the water. Use a sponge to remove the remaining water from the tank as shown. Place a sheet and jug underneath the water supply. Undo the water supply nut. A spanner may be required. At this point, any water left in the line may seep out. Remove the valve back nut, turning clockwise down the valve's thread. Take out the old valve. Remove any debris and check for cracks around the inlet hole. The overflow height is now measured using a tape measure. Identify the critical level on the valve's body below anti-siphon holes. This critical level should be set 1 inch above the overflow level. Again, use a tape measure to check. To adjust the height of the valve, remove the red clip. Gently quarter turn the top of the stem anti-clockwise and slide to the desired height. Quarter turn clockwise to relock and replace the red clip. Fit the new valve through the system hole and tighten the back nut on the thread. Use a spanner to finish tightening, but do not over tighten. Reattach the water feed using a spanner if necessary. Turn the water supply back on. Allow tank to fill, checking for any problems. With the valve in situ, you can adjust the water level by turning the plastic screw dial on top of the valve. Anti-clockwise to lower the water level, clockwise to higher the water level. To remove any grit from the valve, isolate the water supply. Hold base of stem as shown. And grab top of valve and turn anti-clockwise to carefully disconnect the valve head. Place cup over the open stem and flush through valve by turning on water supply. This may need repeating 3 or 4 times to fully remove all dirt. Replace the valve head and turn clockwise to fix head back to the stem. Turn the water back on. To replace the valve diaphragm, repeat disconnecting of the valve head. Remove black rubber diaphragm from underneath the valve head. Take new diaphragm out of packaging and place under valve head, making sure plastic pin goes through the centre of the diaphragm. Repeat connection of the valve head and turn the water back on. To clean the filter of any dirt particles or grit, remove from the thread as shown. A pair of long nose pliers may be required to remove the filter.